celebration. Everything is celebration. Always keep the smile in the home. Don't be serious. Son is going like this. Don't say like this. This is not the way to say to the boy, to the son. He's going to office. Mama, I am going. No. While he was going to office, he just come forward. Just give the send off to him. Daily just give the send off to him. How he feels, you see. He thinks about you. He goes to office, but he thinks about you only. If I go late, my father and mother will wait for me. So I shouldn't go late. That's the thing basically. You give the send off, you receive the same way. Here in the home now, those who are in the home are responsible to receive and to send off. Receiving and send off is the most important to everyone. Isn't it? While you are going to your home, when you open the gate, listen the gate sound. If your mother comes out, oh Nana, come home. See how you feel. See the feeling of the heart. If nobody cares, you have just opened the gate and opened the door and just entered into the house and you entered into your own bedroom and you taken the bath and you came out and you asked the water, nobody responded, and asked the food, nobody responded, everything is on the table and the dining table and you just opened it and you are eating, nobody is caring it up. You feel like it devil. Understand? If you opened the gate, why he is responding? Open the door, your children responded. See the life, how it happens. So simple say, share the love more. Develop the love in the family. Go on loving, go on loving, go on loving. Peace comes on its own. Satisfaction comes on its own. Where there is love, peace is there. Happiness is there. Satisfaction is there. Balance is there. Awareness is there. So whatever you need for the quality of life, value of life, it comes on its own. That's why I say, be playful, be fun, be celebrative. And the fourth point is that always make them happy. Dedicate. Make them happy. You should think about everyone should be happy in the family. Think always like that. Don't think about your happiness. They think about your happiness. Allow them to think about you. You shouldn't allow yourself to think about yourself. Then ego dissolves it. Let them think about you. You should think about them. So once you started this journey, Swadhisthana chakra should be activated very proper. Now how to activate the Swadhisthana chakra? Let us see it. Be more silent. Swadhisthana can be activated. Silent. The more you are silent, the more Swadhisthana will be activated. When you really need, situation demands. As the situation demand.
But your son says, why I am going, you say.
No.
No, that is reverse. Not like that.
Silence. You said.
Yeah, silence means not when it doesn't need, don't speak. When it doesn't need actually. Situation demand, I said right now. If situation demands, then speak. You don't demand to speak in the family. That's the problem here. So you just sit silently. You see the watch everyone in the house. All will be sit silently. Everyone will come. They will play fun with you. When they do something fun, and don't shout at your wife. See, nobody is giving respect to me. Everybody making a laughing stick. This is not the way to behave with me. What they think about me. Don't say like that. Your grandchildren are there. They have every right to make you fun. They have every right. They can say anything. Rara Pora also. Like a father. The grandson is like a father. Understand? The grandson is like a father to you. He can say anything. He can say anything. Isn't it? He says, Grandpa, nowadays you have become old. What happened to you? See, you are not like a human being. He can scold you sometime. He can praise you sometime. You can say whatever he feels about you. He has every freedom with you, every liberty with you, every right on you. Understand? In a relationship, everybody has every right. You say, you are allowed. Your mother is allowed, father is allowed, brother is allowed, sister is allowed, everybody is allowed in the family. They can express their feelings as it is. Don't take it as a negative. Understand it. Okay, this is going on. So how to be controlled? Or how to be cultivated and educated? Somehow some discipline, how to get the disciplines, the right track. Think like this. So 4 levels I'm telling. How to activate the Swadhisthana chakra. The first chakra, I said how to be activated. Giving the 4 things. 1 mudra and 1 position, posture. 1 mudra I've given and 1 perception I've given and 1 action I've given. How to take the breath inside. Now I'm giving 4 things again about the Swadhisthana chakra. Be silent more. Be silent. Just be silent. Don't do anything. Just be silent. Always. Second, understand more. Speak less. Think less. Understand more. When you think, you speak more. When you less think, you speak more again. Double. Understand? If you think 1 time, you speak 2 times. If you think no time at all, when 1 time also you are not thinking, you will speak 4 times, 5 times. Understand? So very dangerous. So that's why we say, speak. Think before you speak. Right? Think before you speak. Why we say like that? Control the speaking. So how to control speaking? Think more. You never speak. Your child is gone thinking. He never speak with you. You say, what happened to you guys? You're so dull today. He says, I'm thinking, Papa. So I simply say, don't allow anybody in the thinking in the family. Once they enter into the house, nobody thinks. Everybody feels something. Thinking brings the ego. Feeling brings the love. So love and ego cannot go together. So thinking must be outside of the door, not inside of the door. Understand? Once you enter in the home, forget the thinking. Just feel it. Enjoy. This is your family. So everybody nowadays going for enjoyment, pub, restaurants, hotels, lodgings, tours. This is not the enjoyment. Spending the money. You're just going for spending the money. You think today how much you spend, that much is enjoyment. This is not the way to spend the life. Understand, right? So first I'm telling, be silent. Second I'm telling, be understood. Understand everything. First you should understand everything. Third chakra, we says that do observation. Be more observation. Be a witness. Just be witness. Whatever happens, negativity is happening there, na? Be a witness. Positive is there, na? Understand it. Everything is so balanced, na? Be silent. Understand? Something is happening in the family, some negativity is going on. Somebody did some mistake. So it is affecting the whole family. Everybody has to bear it. Everybody has to do something for that. Everybody has to suffer for that. That moment I simply say, be a witness. Don't shout. Be a witness. Because they will understand your love. By shouting you lose the heart. By being a witness you will get the heart. Tomorrow if that person comes, I did this much great mistake, but my father couldn't say a single word. How much he loves me, I can understand it. Future is yours.